back to my channel. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thanks for watching the videos. Thank you for your comments. Thanks for your encouragement. I really want to appreciate you so much. And if today is your first time of seeing this channel, please do well by subscribing to the channel, because in this channel there's a lot for you to learn, ranging from bag making, shoes making, cake baking, and icing of different types of icing, and so many other things that you are likely to learn here in this channel, because I have passion for it, and I know that you looking at this channel, you also have a passion for doing different things, for inventing things for yourself. All right, so let's get into the business of the day. I want to teach you how to make this beautiful bag. You can call it a shopping bag, you can call it an outing bag, you can call it any bag you want to call it. Is a bag that you can use for it's a multi-purpose bag. Alright, so, and it's a portable one. So the measurement is 10 inches by 12 inches. The wideness is 10, while the length is 12 inches. Okay, so, and you need two of it. And then this one, we'll be using it for the front pocket, and then this is for the side of the bag. And the length of the side of the bag, how to get the length of the side of the bag is, remember that you are to cover from this side. That is, you're covering from here like this, you're leaving the upper part. So if you want to get the size of your side, the length of the side that will go around your bag, all you need to do is add this side together plus this side and add like 2 inches or 1 inch. Okay, add 2 inches or at most 1 inch to it, so that by the time you fold it, and remember we're going to be folding, and this one, the pocket, I use 5 by 7 inches, I suppose. Yes, 5 by 7 inches. So you'll be seeing how I'll be fixing the side pocket. Alright, now the first thing we'll be doing is we'll be fixing our handle. And we'll be using a tape, or the local name is tape. Okay, it comes this way, so I've used it. This is remaining little, so tape, or some people call it ribbon. Okay, but the main name, the local name that everybody knows, is tape. So what we'll be using for the hand is, we'll be using 16 inches each, so which means I need 32 inches, and then I'll cut it into 2. I'll cut that 32 inches into 2. Okay, so this is it. So I'll be fixing my hand too. So just fold some inside. So fold some this. And then measure like 3 inches, 2.5 inches. So can you see? So my tape is on 2.5 inch. So come to this side as well, it should be 2.5. So this is where I'm going to be placing my tape, on 2.5. That's what you do to the other part as well. Do the same thing to this one. So let's just do it at once. Fold it, let the folding be equal. Measure 2.5. So I'll be placing my tape here on 2.5, just the way we did in the first one. And then I'll come here as well. Having done this, the next thing is I'm going to turn this to the face, and then sew it the second, top stitch it the second time, and bring out my hand. Can you see what I've done? So so I'll come to this other one as well. So we are done with this part. The the next thing is I want to fix my pocket to one of the bag, to the front part. Now this is my pocket. All right, so for the pocket I want to decorate here. I want to decorate just here. So I'm going to be using my tape, the one I use for the hand. That is how you buy it if you want to buy. Okay, it's sold like that. So this is it. So the next thing is to fix it on the bag itself. Fix it on the bag. So I'm going to be fixing it to the down. Can you see? So like this. So our side pocket is ready. So can you see my side pocket? So your bag can actually have a side pocket. Now the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be joining these together. I want to fix the side. So I'm going to be painting. So look at what is remaining. So I'm even having excess. So I'm going to fold it in. So this for the side I measured 34.5. So remember, by the time you plait it in, the size of the bag would have reduced. So you can just add 1 inch to the calculation I showed you instead of 2 inches. So the next thing, I'm going to be fixing this one and then fold this in and then sew it round like that, just like that. And my bag